Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay to buy V-Bucks. First, make sure Apple Pay is set up on your iPhone or iPad with a valid credit or debit card. Then, launch the Fortnite app on your iOS device. Once inside the game, head over to the V-Bucks tab, usually found in the main menu or store section. This is where you'll select your desired V-Bucks pack. Once you're in the V-Bucks section, you'll see various packs available, ranging from 1,000 V-Bucks to 13,500 V-Bucks. Choose the amount that suits your needs. After making your selection, tap on the pack. This action will bring up the payment interface, where you should see Apple Pay as a prominent and convenient payment method. With Apple Pay selected, your device will prompt you to authenticate the purchase. This typically involves using Face ID, Touch ID, or entering your device passcode, depending on your settings. Once authenticated, the transaction will begin processing. This usually takes just a few seconds. After successful completion, you'll receive a confirmation, and your newly acquired V-Bucks will be immediately available in your Fortnite account. If you encounter any issues, first check your internet connection to ensure it's stable. Also, confirm that the payment method linked to your Apple Pay has enough funds to cover the purchase. If problems persist, don't hesitate to reach out. You can contact Apple support for Apple Pay specific issues or Epic Games support for in-game purchase problems. They can provide further assistance to help you get your V-Bucks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.